How we doing today, YouTubers? I hope everyone's having a good week or a good start to the week. This is our first design of this week, number 19 for the year. This is going to be based on the late 80s cartoon action figures. Series was called Brave Star. This will be 3030's gun. I believe it's called Sarah Jane. It's a blunderbuss style gun. It just looks really cool. So naturally we had to model it. So I got card printing on the mk3 right now, so I had to do the tornado first. I'm gonna go computer and sleep. Hope this will be alright. Be up and down checking it throughout the night. Alright, so we printed another lovely rat's nest. So about 3 o'clock in the morning, got up and that's what we found. So let's see what happened here. It just sucks. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize I didn't have my flash on. You know, though, anybody out there with young kids, if my kids were younger, I really would use this stuff in the Easter baskets. Perfect for it. Just a thought, an idea. Alright, I gotta go to work. I slowed the speed way down on this because of that one lone support wall there. Hopefully the prusa can handle this, where the tornado was unable to. I'm going to reorientate this. We'll see how this looks when I get home at lunch. Whether or not Jason has to stop it before then. Alright, tornado's still going pretty good. I flipped the orientation on it. But my son called me a little bit ago and the tornado had, or the mk3 had issues. And I don't know what kind. He said it was sitting up here above it. Oh yeah, look at that, way above. And just not spitting any filament out. So I got a jam. You can see it there now. Okay. Well, that kind of sucks. But it happens. Alright, well, since I had a failed print again, I went ahead and we updated our firmware and drivers, so we are all current and updated for the mk3. So we'll see what kind of difference that makes. I reorientated this again. Oh, hopefully it's time to work. The tornado's looking pretty good though. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. How the prusa is doing. Some boomers there. It's looking good. prusa. That's really rough. I'll sand it out. I don't know what happened there. Do another minute. It's looking so good. Sweet. Oh snap! Look at that. So, and if anybody ever wanted to watch a rat's nest in progress, wow. What a shame my kids aren't younger. This stuff would be perfect for Easter baskets. Alright, so, third time was not the charm. And I guess I'm gonna have to put some glue down. Alright, well that's always fun. And at least you got to see it live. So that's even more fun. Was it as good for you as it was for me? Never a dull moment. Okay, that looks much better down there. So hopefully the results will be much better too. That looks really good. That's much more. Very nice. Let's see how we're doing over here in the tornadoes. Sweet. Hopefully it won't be too difficult to yank the supports out of there without breaking that lever. The problem is it's actually not connected up there. So we shall see. Looking really good though. Alright, so sweet. Look at that. Get this cleaned up. Let's see how the oh, I'm gonna turn this off. Let's see how the mk3 is doing. Pretty good. Alright, 64%. Sweet. My son has found a new show in the Fire Stick. He's watching something called The Strain. So that's what all that is. Vampire noises in the background. It's looking really good. Got a big one outside, primed up. Alright. All done. Looks good. Sweet. Get this out there, cleaned up. Finish getting the other one painted up, videos posted, and then on that flash drive, I have our second design of the week, which is going to be, oh, I forgot what it's called now. I'll have to look it up. For some reason, I'm thinking Ravage Slugger, something like that. It's from Fallout 4. It's a bat with a whole bunch of nails in it. So, I was on live stream with Fun King 3D the other day. I asked him about what they want to see or anything, and Glenn couldn't praise Fallout 4 enough. Apparently, he really likes that video game. So they're like, make anything from Fallout 4. So that's what we did for our second design this week. Anyhow, this is still our first one. This is so cool. This is 3030's gun from the cartoon Brave Star from the late 80s. That's too cool. Anybody that doesn't know what it is, look it up. 3030's this, he's like a cyborg horse or something, sidekick, and this is his gun. So, alright, just want to bring this one in, show you it's all primed up, getting ready to sand a little more on it, and then start painting it up. So, there's still a little filament in there. Don't think I'm gonna worry about too much. Paint the butt, get down in there. So we're getting there. This is looking really good. Alright, I got the smaller one all base coated up. I already primed it, sanded it. I just put a nice base coat of black on there. That will be our gold model. And then the bigger one is, oh, I've moved it. Guess it kind of helps if you know where it's at. There it is. There's the bigger one there. This project here has led me to believe I need to hunt down some really long needle nose pliers on Amazon and buy them just for supports like that. Anyhow, it's looking pretty good. Get that other one painted up gold, to spice this up, we'll get this video posted. And I'm in the process of slicing our second design of this week, which will be, I don't remember the name of it. I want to say Ravage Slugger, but I'm not sure. It's a bat with nails in it from Fallout 4. So, and our third design this week is yet to be determined. We're working on designing that one up tonight. And here's our final version, all done up in gold. There's the larger one. There's the smaller one. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you did, and make sure you ring that bell, as we got a lot of content coming out this year. Thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful night. God bless.